bago niya ilapag doon, papa-startin niya na yung motor. So dire-diretso na yan, kung saan direksyon nakatapat. Tinapat niya yung maximum time 25 minutes. And then yung GPS kung saan siya nakaharap, 25 minutes siyang lalarga. And then bago niya ibabayan dun sa tubig, paanda rin yung motor. Yep, dire-diretso na siya. One more time.
We got it. We don't swim like that.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Paring Mike. Meet Muscles.
Hello.
A very friendly guy from Vanuatu. Is that right?
Yeah.
Vanuatu?
Yeah.
Yeah, a very friendly guy. He's a friend of mine with Paring Jojo in the house. Yeah.
You can go back further.
Yeah. I'll reverse a mobile.
With my folder.
What you call that?
Reverse. Oh, where?
That
Kontiki.
thing? Kantiki?
Yeah, today we're gonna use the Kontiki to fish.
Kantiki fishing. Yeah,
It's kiwi fishing.
we're gonna do the Kentucky?
Kontiki.
Kentucky KFC.
It's a Kontiki.
We're gonna do
easy,
Kontiki fishing today, guys. And I don't know what is that.
Let's kiwi call easy fishing.
Cheater. It's a cheating.
Yeah. It's very much cheating anyway. Because you don't go for keep wit.
Let's all find out what is that Kentucky fishing, and I don't know it either.
Let's try it.
Let's try it with Muscles. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Yee. Welcome to my guys.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my guy. Welcome to my Kontiki.
Kentucky?
It's a Kontiki.
Yeah, Kentucky.
Let's say seahorse.
Seahorse?
Yeah. That's the name of that.
In English?
Yeah, seahorse. Kontiki is the old name of that thing. But from now on, there's too many sites that they do that. That one called seahorse.
Whatever. Kentucky. Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin niyang Kentucky na yun eh. Seahorse sabi niya, no?
Seahorse yung brand niya.
Ah, Seahorse yung brand. Ayun nga, oo.
Kontiki tawag sa ganito.
Yung ganyang fishing technique, fishing technique nga ga. Kontiki fishing. Hindi ko rin talaga alam, wala akong idea kung paano to gagana. Si Paring Jojo meron eh, alam niya yun eh. Ako talaga wala, pare-pares tayo, kaya samahan nyo ako, abangan nyo kung paano to gagana, kung gaano kadami mahuhuli namin, at bibigyan ko kayo pag natapos nyo tong video na to. Sineset up na nila yung tawag niya pare, pain.
Send nyo lang yung address nyo, dadrop niya yan. Free delivery.
Mamaya makita natin, may sinasabi sila Paring Jojo na iseset lang yung GPS nito, tapos kusa na siyang aalagwa. Tingnan natin. Dito yung battery niya, ayun yung engine.
Oh shit, hey, stop the water.
Yeah, I hold it here. Woo! Aha. Dapat angat-angat pa tayo doon ng konti yata. Yeah. Sa mga oras na to, nagkakabit na kami ng tawag dyan, bait. You already cut it eh. Parang dugo.
We're not gonna eat the fish, we'll eat it.
Ano pala siya? Secret sauce kung tawagan natin. Yung mabango siya, amoy ano? Feeds, yung amoy pulot na
Oo.
ano to sa isda eh.
Why are you doing that?
So it's easier to hook it up on the line when that's stuck.
Meron siyang sabitan, oh. Yep. Nagpapalit na kami ng baterya.
Malakas na yung battery ito pare. Abot ang Australia yan.
Mahal daw, sabi niya, about 2 grand.
Second hand pare.
Second hand pa yan.
Isa yung ganyan seahorse na brand.
2 grand. Second hand.
Pare oh. Contikis.
Ayun pala, kontiki. Not corn. That Seahorse electric kontikis. Bago niya ilapag yan, bago niya ilapag doon, papa-startin niya na yung motor. So dire-diretso na yan, kung saan direksyon nakatapat. Tinapat niya yung maximum time, 25 minutes. And then yung GPS, kung saan siya nakaharap, 25 minutes siyang lalarga. And then bago niya ibabayan dun sa tubig, paanda rin yung motor. Ngayon ilo-launch namin ang aming corn tiki. Inaabot na kami ng tubig, oh. Ooh, high tide is coming. Yun nilatag ni Marcel, nadala na lahat ng tubig. Yan na. Ilo-launch na ni Muscles. Yep, dire-diretso na siya.
Pigil.
So ang update, ibabalik ulit namin. Kasi lumayo siya pare, oh. Ayun lang siya, no.
Kasi yung sinet natin 20 minutes, na-consume lang siya sa pagpigil.
Ah, hindi siya nakapagtuloy-tuloy ng alagwa, no?
Kasi lakas ng current.
Ah. So, ang gagawin ulit natin, hasamsamin. Tapos,
Set up gawin natin mga 25 minutes.
babaguhin lang yung oras. Pare, stop daw.
Okay?
Leave it like that.
Hold it. Yeah. Because it's against now. Chuck it over here. And then we'll take it.
At kami magsosopas muna. Go! Ha? What? Up there? Oh, your drone. My drone. Go. Susuot natin ating pangmalakasan. Want to eat? Habang nag-aantay kami ng pag-pull out, ang tawag doon pare? Harvest. Pag-harvest ng aming mga 25 na huli. Kakain muna kami sa sopas.
Noise. See
Yeah.
this?
See, my friend is eating Filipino food.
Yeah.
He always.
Always, bro. For some fish. From some
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind the one down there.
Sopas. Tastes good.
Better than the fish. I don't know what we're doing here when we got a
Yeah. Okay. Update guys. Pino-pull out muna namin yung aming corn tiki because we're not doing it properly. And it looks like we're wasting our time. But hopefully we got even one. And we're happy for that. Hopefully. Those muscle.
We're gonna restart it because we couldn't put it properly into the water. That's the first line's coming up.
Uh-huh.
Put it in the water. That's the first line.
And then we're gonna bibidyohan ko na para matandaan ko.
Siya kasi, pinapersa niyang balik pa ganon. Hindi ganon. Ganto mo siya. Laban mo ganon. Yan. Pag hinila mo siya, tanggal yan.
Nya. Sakit daw sa kamay eh. See? See this technique?
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Fuck, mate. Stuck? Shark ba? Oo nga, no? Anong tawag dyan? Maraming yan dito eh, no?
Are they still alive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Baka mga gat yan eh. Bagay, wala pang ipin yan.
Hindi naman yan ano? Yung lalaki. Hindi malaki.
Papalpasan ulit namin siya. Sila. They're brothers or sisters.
Yeah.
Keep pulling.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the other one?
Yeah, throw it. Ah! Patay na. Pwedeng gawing bait yun ano?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Sarap tayo. Nakatakot siya sa amin yan.
So guys, ang update, mukhang malabo tayo makahuli. We ain't nothing, mates. We ended up going to Pack and Save.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not there, miss. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday.
Update guys, wala tayo nahuli dun sa ating Kontiki. Dito naman tayo dadali, hindi tayo susuko hanggat wala tayo nahuling isda. Kailangan pala lulusong ka ng gano'n. Hintayin na lang natin makahuli ng balik.
I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear.
As you can see guys, backup ulit kami, hindi na naman tayo pinagbigyan.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt, and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe, one ain't nothing but a thing to need. Burn right through them like a cigarette, or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk.
A few inches later.
nakabaw na siya, naahon pa eh. Sobrang dry kasi. Put it on first gear. Put it on first gear. Hold it.
We don't know each other all that well,
Oops.
but I dig you, babe, I'm sure you can tell.
Go.
Can I help it if I want you tonight? Long and tall with that slender groove, I love your smell and the way you move. Can I help it if I want you tonight?
This ain't good day. Up, 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 up. They're just digging the sand. Yeah.
When we dance, baby, this head grows. It's like I'm posing with a lethal dose. Can't I help it
Yeah.
if I want you
Up,
tonight?
look, go.
If I leave, baby, will you come? Let me hold you
The Halimo Fortuner pulling
Can
out the...
I help it if I want you tonight?
Why don't you put it on a neutral? Try to put it in neutral.
Want you tonight.
So you won't stick that.
I can't.
Kumakamot din siya.
Entertainment while you're waiting for your time.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get something for the payment.
Easy peasy. Ganun lang pala kadali. Update guys, pauwi na kami. Hanggang ngayon naghihilahan pa rin kami. Kasi ito ay two-wheel lang. Lakas loob lang talaga namin ipinasok dito sa buhanginan.
See this?
Ah. One more time.
We call it. You don't swim like that.
We have to 25 hooks,
Yeah.
and then we got one.
Now what? Think about it. We got 23 hooks, and the way we set them up, we had 46 hooks. Once again, and guess what?
Yeah, 46.
Come back with 0. No, actually 4.
And that's the end of the story, eh?
We had 4.
for shark.
Because they call them a
For
shark.
shark. Yeah, that's the end of the story.
That's the end of the story.
We got nothing, but
Apart from our mind, we take them back for next time.
next time.
It's always going to be. Okay. Finish. Oh yeah, that's what. There's the code.
Okay. Say goodbye. See you, bro. Yep.
But still, give me a call or we'll do more of that question.
Yep.
I am the one for you. Don't ask me how I know it, I just know it's true. I am the one, babe, I am the one you need.
Pare, babay ka na. Pare. Nakita nyo naman kung gano'ng kalakas yan ha.
Sige pare ha. Salamat pare.
Abangan nyo yung YouTube channel ni Parang Jojo.
Sana nag-enjoy ka kahit hindi ng huli.
Enjoy talaga. Yeah. Tayo magdi-deliver pa ng ating mga pa-order. So ayun guys, kung umabot ka sa video na to, salamat sa'yo dahil pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo. At dito na magtatapos ang ating munting adventure ngayong araw na to. At sana ay na-entertain kayo or nasiya naman kayo kahit papano sa aming mga ginawa sa araw na to, no? So nakita nyo naman kung ano yung gaano kalakas yung sasakyan ni Parang Jojo. At nakita nyo rin na wala kaming nahuli sa Kontiki. Kita nyo naman kahit dun sa gumamit na kami ng fishing rod, wala pa rin kaming nahuli. Casting nga tatawag dun. Talagang hindi namin na araw sa araw na to sa pangingisda. At babawi kami sa susunod. Marami pa namang araw. Ayun, salamat sa inyo. Abangan nyo yung magiging yung channel ni Parang Jojo at ni Marcel. Magkakaroon na rin sila at baka masundan pa ito. Salamat ulit sa inyo guys. God bless you all. Peace out.